Hello guys, welcome back to our video, and this is lecture number 4 of our React Mastery course. And in this lecture we are gonna learn about shorthand JavaScript expressions. So in the last lecture we learned how can we short JavaScript variables inside our JSX code by using these curly braces. So one thing I want to mention that these curly braces also have another use that we are gonna see more often in the later lectures, which is showing expressions or writing out expressions. So let me show you what I mean by that. First we will delete this, and now here I will make a constant called date. So suppose if we want to display time on our screen, so how can we do that? First of all, we will make a constant with name date and is equal to new date, and then we will create a variable called time, and here we will write date dot to local time string, and now here we will print time. So if we run this code, and so now you can see if I run this code, it shows the time which is 8:10, which is my current time. So this is how it works. So now you can see that it is a little bit lengthy, and there is a way in which we can condense this code and make it a more shorter, which is to write this expression directly between our curly braces, or to write this expression directly into our JSX code. So we can do this by writing new date dot to local time string, and now if we run this code, you can see it shows exactly the same result. So it is up to you which approach you want to use. You want to use that approach or you want to use this approach. In some cases this approach is useful, and in some cases the previous approach is useful. It depends on the situation. So I just wanted to explain you that. So now there is also one thing I want to tell, that suppose if we want to use two JavaScript variables simultaneously inside our JSX code, so can we do that? Yes, of course we can do that. Suppose if I make a variable called const name is equal to Harsh and const age is equal to 17. So we can print this by writing name and age here. So if we run this code, you can see that it combines both these variables and show the result on our screen. And we can also use these tags, these variables, alongside some words here. So like if I want to show my name is and my age is, and if we run this code, it will show my name is Harsh and my age is 17. So this is how it works, and we can use two variables at the same time while using words also in our tag. So you can see a common pattern here. That let me explain you that with a slide. So this is the pattern. Most of the times you are going to see this pattern, that whenever we run some JSX code, first of all at the top we are going to have our function call which calls the function, and then we are going to have this section which contains all the calculations and variables which decide that what we are going to show this here in this return section. So this section have some computations and some JavaScript variables which we will show here and which will be shown in the screen. So these are two sections, and you will see this pattern mostly in every function. Code to compute values we want to show in our JSX, and here content we want this component to show. So this is a pattern, And guys, this was all for today. Now I will see you in the next lecture, and in the next lecture we are going to learn about props, which is a very interesting topic. Thank you.